Simplifying investments with a click. Looking to invest in mutual funds or open fixed deposits or recurring deposits? Do it easily with the HDFC Bank SmartWealth App. Here's how to invest in mutual funds. Tap on the Discover option at the bottom of the app. In the Explore and Invest section, choose a fund category such as top-rated funds or equity funds. To add the fund of your choice, tap on the plus icon, choose your investment mode as SIP or lump sum and enter the amount. Confirm the investment and enter the OTP to verify the transaction. You will receive an SMS and email confirming your mutual fund transaction. Now let's understand how opening a fixed deposit is as quick and easy. To open a fixed deposit, tap the Discover option at the bottom of the app, scroll to the Explore and Invest section and click on Create Fixed Deposits. Enter the fixed deposit amount and select the tenure, interest payout mode and maturity instructions. Add a nominee and tap on Continue. Double check all the details and tap on Confirm to create the fixed deposit. Similarly, you can open a recurring deposit and tax saving deposit in just a few clicks. Download the HDFC Bank SmartWealth App today and begin your journey to wealth creation. Your in-app investments are now in place, but what about your external holdings? Watch our next video on how HDFC Bank SmartWealth App helps you align all your holdings in one place.